Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about logarithm and the laws. My source for this video is Pure Mathematics 2 and 3 Cambridge International AS and A-Level Mathematics book. The first thing you have to know about the definition of logarithm. Alright. This is the definition to the logarithm. Another name for a power is a logarithm. Or the easiest way, logarithm is the inverse of taking of the exponent of something. As you can see here, y equals a power of x. We can write this with log a of y equals to x. Okay, I will give you an example here. Since 81 is equals to 3 power of 4, we can say that the logarithm to the base 3 of 81 is 4. Now, I want to show you about the graph of logarithms. Whatever value of a of the base a is greater than 1, the graph of y log a of x has the same general shape. Like this. The graph has the following properties. Number 1, the curve crosses the x-axis at 1, 0. Second one is the curve only exists for positive value of x. Now you can see here only for the positive value of x. And then the line x equals to 0 is an asymptote, and for value of x between 0 until 1, the curve lies below the x-axis. You can see here. There is no limit to the height of the curve for the large value of x, but its gradient progressively decreases. Like this. The curve passes through at the point a, 1, whatever value of a. Okay, this is the exercise for you guys. Find the logarithm to the base 2 for each of the following number. Number 1, 84. Okay, I will help you to give in the template here. Log base a of y is equal to x. Because the number is 64, change this with 64, and the base is 2. Okay, alright, we have to find the value of x. Log to the base 2 of 64 is, another way to rewriting this is 2 to the x power is equal to 64, and the answer is 6, right? Because 2 power of 6 is 64. Alright, do you get the point? Okay, let me check the second one. Number B, a half. Log to the base 2 of a half is, what is it? Minus 1. Alright. Because 2 to the power of minus 1 is a half. Then how about this? 1. Log to the base 2 of 1 is 0. Correct. Then the last one for you guys. Root of 2. 2 to the power is equal to root of 2. The answer should be a half. Alright, next, logarithm to the base 10. Okay, since 1000 is equals to 10 with the power of 3, you can write log the base 10 of 1000 is 3. Then you can say that log to the base 10 of 10,000 is 4. You can counting the number of 0 here. Then how about log to the base 10 of 0.01? Right, the value is -2. Then we are going to the next, the laws of the logarithm. Number 1 is multiplication and division. Log A of x multiplied by y is equal to log A of x plus log A of y. In another way, log A x divided by y is equal to log A of x minus log A of y. The second law is power 0. Since a by the power of 0 is 1, you can say that log A of 1 is equals to 0, whatever the value of A. Maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe a million, or everything. Alright, I will give you an example for this law, multiplication and division. For this multiplication, if let's say I have log 2 of 6 maybe, you can write with log to the base 2 of 2 times 3, right? Then you can say that is the same with log to the base 2 of 2 added by log 2 of 3, like this. And for this law, division law, if I have log 15, I can write with log 2, maybe 30 divided by 2. Then, with this way, log 2, 30 minus log 2 of 2, like this. This is the example of multiplication and division laws. The third law is indices. Log A of x by the power of n is equal to n times log A of x. And in here, you can put by this way as the multiplier number. And how about the base has a power here? Like log A by the power of m of x, we can say that 1 per m times log A of x. Or m here, you can say as divisor number of log A of x. So we can have the results. Log A by the power of m of x by the power of n is equal to n per m log A of x. Alright, before we go on to the next law, I will give you an example for this law, the indices laws. Let's say I have log to the base 4 of 27. With this law, I got log 2 by the power of 2 and 3 by the power of 3. Am I right? Then, note that the number of n is 3 and the power of base, we call it m, is 2. With this law, this should be 3 by 2 times log to the base 2 of 3, like this. Okay, let me check your understanding for the second time. If I have log 100 of maybe 64, with this way, you can write with log 100 is 10 by the power of 2, right? Then 64 is 8 by the power of 2. I can write with 2 in here, divided by 2, and multiplied by log 10 of 8. you can cancel this, and you will get log 10 of 8, like this. Alright, the next law is the logarithm of a number to its own base. Okay, this is clear. Log to the base a of a is equal to 1, because a by the power of 1 is a. And these are additional laws. For number 1, log to the base a of b, you can write with this form. Log to the base p of b divided by log to the base p of a. Then, what the number of p? You can write based on the problem you have. Then the last law is log to the base a of b is equal to 1 per log to the base b of a. This is the reciprocal to the base and the number of log itself. Alright, that's the laws of logarithm. I hope you can get the point. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.